everyone, and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today I'm making grilled bear mussels with garlic bread. It's gonna be fast, it's gonna be simple, and it's gonna be fabulous. So we're gonna take all these and we're gonna cook them on the grill. So let's get started. Now it's time to clean our mussels. They have like sand and dirt on them, and they have this beard. See here? This beard, so you want to de-beard them. And the reason why there's this beard here is because it anchors onto rocks. I bought mine yesterday, so I can use them today. I covered it with a damp paper towel and placed it in the coldest part of the refrigerator. And if you don't have a damp paper towel, you can use cloth as well, a damp cloth. So, and with this, if you see any broken mussels, don't use them because they're dead, and eating dead oysters, I don't think will be best to do that because you'll probably get sick. So you want to avoid that, especially with fresh seafood. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to debeard the mussels. I'm going to use a paper towel. I'm going to just fold this in half and fold it in half again. So it's kind of like my gripper. And if you don't want to use a paper towel, you don't have to. You can use like a cloth as well. Here is our mussel, and there's a little beard. And you can see this part is straight. So I'm going to just grab onto this and just hold it and pull down. And ta-da! No more beard. Turn this over. You can see right here. Down. Done. That was easy. I wish they were all easy. Another one. Beard. Hold on. Pull down. Let's go. A great workout. Our mussels are now all debearded, and I scrubbed the shells so you don't have any barnacles or any leftovers on them. So these are nice and clean. And then I'm going to soak them in water for about 15 minutes. So make sure you have cold water. So I'm going to put my cold water in here. And I'm going to add salt. Add a generously amount of salt because these are from the sea, and you don't want to put them in regular water because they're from the sea and they're from salt water. So I make my own salt water. So I'm going to place our mussels in the salt water. And what the salt water does, it just lets them spit out extra like sand and stuff that are inside the mussels. Now it's time to grill our mussels on the grill. It's on medium-high heat. And we're gonna put oil in the pan and get started. We have two pans here. The left side we're gonna use for the mussels. The right side we're gonna use for the garlic bread. Now start with the shallots and garlic and cook them until they're translucent. Add the mussels slowly because you don't wanna crack them. And give that a nice mix. Now grab a cup of your favorite beer. Make sure it's a light beer. You don't need to use any strong IPAs. Light beer will do. Next you want to cover it because you want to steam cook them for about 5 minutes. It's time to make our garlic butter for our garlic bread. The pan is nice and hot. So I added the garlic first and the butter. So I'm going to melt it all together. It's nice and hot, and I'm going to throw those breads on the grill. I like my bread nice and hot. So I'm going to baste the tops with the garlic butter. And you also want to do it on the other side. So you want to baste both sides of the bread with the garlic butter. What a nice crispy garlic flavor on your bread. And I'm using here a French loaf bread. Now it's time to check on our mussels. It looks like they're all opening. When they're all open, that means they're ready. And look at that. Oh, they're open like a 7-Eleven. finish the mussels off with the parsley for presentation, and make sure you remove those things off the grill because we don't want to overcook those mussels, and rubbery mussels are no bueno. All right, now let's get back to our garlic bread. Finish basting it with the garlic butter with both sides, even sides, because you do this also so you don't burn the bread, so it doesn't catch on fire. So I'm rotating it and make sure the bread all have even grill marks. We've cooked our garlic bread for 3 minutes on each side, and we're gonna finish it off with some parsley, and they are good to go. Our grilled mussels and our garlic bread is ready. Look how pretty the grill marks are on the garlic bread. Really nice, and it's like crispy, crunchy too. So I'm gonna give it a try, but I'm gonna do a little dip in our sauce that we made with our beer batter sauce, or beer sauce. Together, look at that, wow, so pretty. Delicious. I mean, feels like I'm eating at a fancy restaurant. So if you want a quick, simple, and fabulous grilled beer mussels with garlic bread, please try my recipe. Well, thank you for watching, and see you next time.